Hello everyone, it's Stacy Watson here at Vernon Volkswagen. We have a 2013 Jetta TDI Highline. It's got 17-inch alloy wheels, rear window tint already done. It's beautiful platinum gray metallic. It's got a huge trunk. It's got the seats that split 60-40 and also have the center pass-through. Black leather interior, all in really good condition. It's got door lock sensors on the door handles on the front, power mirrors, locks, and windows. It's got Bluetooth on the steering wheel, nice touchscreen stereo with AM, FM, and satellite radio. It's got heated seats, push to start, DSG transmission. It's also got the power sunroof, and only has 37,503 kilometers on it. For more information or for a test drive, you can call me or text me at 250-308-4367, or you can email me, Stacy with an IE at vernonvw.com.